Hey guys, wagwan again. I'm here again with another loyalty test for the world to see what is going on into the world. Okay, will our girlfriend cheat with a man? Guys, subscribe guys. Let's get right into it right now. You understand? I'm not easing up, bro. Trust me, we want to see what is going to happen, okay?
That look nice. I like that. Yeah, look at that. How long we get this for? Let me take this for the night too, actually.
Today, the team and I put together and executed yet another loyalty test.
If you really want to test your girl, just have her be in here like when it's nighttime with all the stars lit up.
For real. We don't need to see the stars outside. These ones a little bit better, you feel me?
And of course, we're not just using one car for this video. Gotta use two. All right, guys, everything's set up and ready to go. It'll be showtime right now in about like 5 to 10 minutes. Now, for this video, we were helping Amaya test her girlfriend.
Amaya?
Yes.
Nice to meet you. I'm Ken.
Yeah, that's right.
Hold on, bro. Red flag for the female and the next female. You understand? Yes, you understand. Bro, I just want this test to be fail, bro. I want this test to be fail for her to talk to the man. You understand? Because two female, wrong. Red flag.
Her girlfriend. We'll just call her Jessica.
All right, welcome.
All right, guys, here we go. This is it. They're here. They have arrived. Will Jessica remain loyal to Amaya, or will she trade her for this house, the cars, and her decoy Nathan?
Out of the two cars, which one do you think has a higher likelihood to make someone fail the test?
This one.
The Rolls Royce?
Rolls Royce will make 90% of them fail.
I would have thought the other way. I would have thought it was the Urus, but I guess we're gonna find out.
My team and I tried meeting up with Amaya before we pulled this test. However, being that her and Jessica lived and did practically everything together made it difficult. So after many failed attempts at meeting up, we decided to just go through with this thing.
She's here, guys.
Okay. I'll open the door.
So you're telling me vanity let these people fail the test, bro? Vanity? Trust me. Guys, subscribe. You understand? Big up all of my subscribers. You understand? All of my subscribers are clean. Like God. White t-shirt. You understand? Yes. Big up on yourself right now all over the world. Big up. We're here to catch cheaters. You understand?
With her girlfriend, which meant that this test was officially in full swing.
Hello. Amaya?
Yes.
I'm Ken. Nice to
Nice to meet you.
meet you. Perfect. How's the drive for you guys?
So Amaya's actually a model, and she was able to bring Jessica here because, well, Jessica is actually her manager. It wasn't out of the ordinary for her to accompany Amaya to photo shoot, so she was not suspecting a thing.
Hello.
How are you?
Good, how about you?
All right, guys, here we go. This is it. They're here. They have arrived.
Which one of you is Amaya? Hi, I'm Kyle. Very nice to meet you.
Nate, nice to meet you. The owner of the house.
Our scenario for this video is very simple. Kyle is pretending to be the fashion director who hired Amaya, Ken is pretending to be the photographer, and Nathan is pretending to be the owner of the house and cars. Now, of course, Nathan will also be her decoy. He's the one who's gonna eventually be asking Jessica on a date.
So today I rented the house and the cars from my man Nate. I'm doing a new designer line, and I'm hoping to have new models, and then maybe we can see what happens because I have Fashion Week due next week, and I gotta kind of get a new look out there.
Kyle's just getting into character, huh?
Yeah, so I was thinking we could start off with doing some pictures by the cars. I mean, you saw the cars outside, right? What are your thoughts on the cars, by the way?
Fine.
So which one do you guys prefer, though?
Depends on the evening. No.
See,
Depends on the evening.
That's for me too.
Okay.
That's what I'm saying. Like, is it date night?
I mean, they're nice cars. I mean, one day I hope to own one of them. But my man Nate's nice enough to rent them to us, so. We'll start off with taking you out. You guys could just chill in here, enjoy some of the beverages or whatever you.
Kyle does a great job at making everything believable. And I still don't know what this man does for a living. I've narrowed it down to professional money launderer, like the owner of a mattress firm, or a doctor. On second thought though, maybe Kyle makes his money by playing games on his phone. He could be making bank by using Cashkick. Cashkick is a platform that helps you make more money. You can make an extra $150 all just by playing games on your phone. Let me show you guys how easy and straightforward it is though to earn extra cash. First, go to cashkick.com, which you could do so by clicking on the link in the description below or scanning the QR code that you see on
Hey,
the screen.
this thing just have me sign, bro. Like, bro, guys, see if you can get some money off this thing, bro.
You're gonna sign up with your email and password, and that's it. Literally, that's it. Now you can start making money. The amount of money that you can make varies per game. I would personally recommend playing dice streams. I mean, you can make $200 just by playing it. You're on your phone all day anyways, might as well make some money. If you're looking for an easy, rewarding side hustle to do this summer, this is it. They got over 2 million users and have paid out millions. These guys are legit. I mean, check out my account so far. Sign up for Cash Kick by clicking on the link in the description below or by scanning the QR code that you see on the screen. Get paid to play. Sign up for Cash Kick today.
Trouble.
This is yours?
Yeah, that's mine. I just moved out here like 6 months ago. Thank you, I appreciate that. You're from out here?
No, I'm from New York.
From New York?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
So right now, Nathan is just making small talk with her, and as you guys can see, they are pretending to do a photo shoot outside in the front.
Nathan will be making his move soon, but we first wanted to give him some time to break the ice with Jessica.
Who'd you move with?
Just Maya and her son.
Okay.
Now trust me guys, I know what you guys are thinking and we're probably on the same page. Why is Nathan our
Nothing more than the baby father now feel Maya. Or maybe the son adopted. You understand? But let's say the man feel Maya, so Maya turn a lesbian. Jesus Christ, the world gone.
boy and not another girl? Well, you see, we were gonna hire a girl to play decoy. However, Maya requested that it be a guy.
Hey,
So are you
nervous?
A little bit, but I have faith in her.
What do you think your percentage is of her passing right now?
Yeah, she cute, you know, like cute girl. You don't have to turn that way, you know, you can turn the right way and not the other way, you understand? Chano Star.
High, like 90.
Like 90?
Okay, that's good confidence.
Yeah.
Have you guys had anything that makes you feel like she'd be infidelity?
No, but like I said, when I spoke to Sergio on the phone, she has never been with another girl besides me. So she's only strictly dated guys before me.
And that right there is why Maya requested a male to play decoy instead of a female. Jessica could still very well be into men and cheat on her with one. Yeah, Nathan's got his work cut out for him, but there's a chance that he succeeds. Not that I want him to succeed,
No,
I'm
burn
just
up.
saying.
No seed. Burn up a red flag. Kinda sucks. What you do? Burn up.
Was there anything that kind of sparked, or just the fact that she dated guys only before?
Yeah, just the fact that she dated guys only before, and I'm like, okay, it's interesting. Let's see.
Yeah.
Especially if you were thinking about going to the next level, it's a good test, yeah.
Right.
Now, in all honesty, before Nathan, I thought there was this other guy who would make the perfect decoy for this video. I reached out to him, and he ended up ghosting me. Yeah, I'm not afraid to admit it, and it's okay. I'm not hurt. I understand that sometimes people just have no game. At the end of the day, we ended up getting someone who for sure has mad game.
I don't know. It's gonna be tough. I feel like to break a couple like that is gonna be tough. So I mean, I don't want them to fail, but
Yeah.
I'm gonna do my best to test their loyalty.
Yeah. Do you think the house and the cars are gonna help?
I think it'll definitely help. We'll see how it goes though. We'll see. Like maybe they're not into that stuff though. Maybe
True.
it's a vibe that they like, or maybe they don't like it at all. So we'll see how it goes. Yeah, that's one thing I can say too. I've met like a lot of good connections out here too.
Yeah.
So I do more like influencer stuff. So like for me, it's super
Trying to
important.
get into that. That's what we're trying to get into, like heavy content creating, paid brand thing.
What she's doing right now.
Yeah.
She's getting it right now, so that's good though. So what do you do? Oh, Fresno? Out by Fresno?
Fresno?
Yeah.
You guys like live together, or?
Yes, we live together. So
How long have you guys been dating for?
this coming March, it'll be 2 years. Yeah, so we've been together for a little while.
You ever lived anywhere else? Other than
This is the only place. I mean, I've visited other places.
I've
I've been in Miami a lot. I'm in Texas a lot, but I wouldn't have to
Business?
Yeah.
Been doing the wrong thing for a while.
So what do you
now.
do as well?
I manage models.
Hey, I even want the lesbian to subscribe to my channel. You understand? Yes, but no gay. Burn up. Guys, will her girlfriend cheat with a man? Let's see.
And I do content creating as well, but I really like to do like the behind the scenes stuff, like managing.
You look like you should be on camera too.
Yeah, everybody, like every time I would pull up with the models to video shoots or photo shoots, things like that, they would just be like, "You're not in it." But I felt like I started out kind of late. I never really was in touch with my feminine side as much when I was younger because I always played sports.
Got you.
By this time, I planned on texting Ken to come back in already.
She
But they were
talk
having such
heavy.
good conversation, I just
Like
let it keep
she had the
going.
man.
Yeah, I do miss sports a lot. It's just be like time. Like we work a lot,
she
and
talk
then when we're not
heavy, you
working,
know?
we're just like, let's relax for a little bit.
That's how it is. Yeah, you gotta have that downtime too. Downtime is good. It's important.
Like I feel like I need a vacation for sure. I need a vacation immediately.
I'm telling you, that's what I'm trying to get on in the next couple weeks
I
too.
wanna sit on a resort villa anywhere and just chill, drink, and not have to worry about anything. Like, I don't even want want to have to worry about wearing anything but a bathing suit.
I need like 5 days of that though, real quick.
Yeah,
You know what I'm
5 days straight, literally.
This test has literally just gotten started, but if you guys think about it, Jessica has given Nathan multiple ways to make his move. Honestly, I thought Nathan would have to do a lot more of the talking, but Jessica turned out to be a very social person.
I like to get into clothes.
Okay, what kind of clothes?
Super into like hip hop wear. I want to start my own clothing brand, but the reason why I haven't started is because I need the money for it. Like, it's super expensive, and I don't want to go like halfway.
One of my boys, he actually has a clothing company too. I was thinking about doing one. So I do stuff like that too with social media and everything. So
Instagram.
Here, let me show you.
Oh, damn, okay. I was not expecting things to move this quickly. I mean, I can't jump to conclusions though because she hasn't done anything wrong. I feel like anyone in her position who's business-minded would do the exact same thing. She's networking. I mean, for now, that is.
So what kind of content you guys trying to do?
All content, honestly. But mainly like get ready with me.
Those are popping right now. Those are popping right now.
Yeah, like we just did one together the other day.
How are you not modeling? You look that good. What do you mean? I'm like, you should be modeling too.
Nathan overaccomplished what he needed to accomplish. The ice was definitely broken, and he had plenty of angles for which to make his move.
I'm a little nervous. I hope she doesn't let me down, but I'm.
Bro, to I see it, bro. To or I see it. Guys, I don't know about you guys, but this three female, bro. X out those two guys right there. You understand? Yes. But Nathan, you come like a female, bro. You move like that. Man fi move like man. You get what I say? Yeah.
I mean, it's been 2 years.
I don't know. We'll see.
Yeah.
At the end of the day, she'll still have to come back home and face me.
So you manage a bunch of different models, or?
I managed only 3 models before.
Okay.
Like we're just now getting into the modeling, content creating thing, like to see who's really about business, really, because a lot of people just want to chill with pretty girls and they, make things sound good. And I don't really, I hate that. I'm just like,
That's a lot of people out here.
just say what it is so I know what I'm expecting, Don't try to tell me it's one thing, but really when we get there, you just want to have fun. I'm like, no.
And so with that, it was time to move things along and give Nathan and Jessica more of a private setting.
He texted me to go upstairs.
Okay, perfect.
We'll go.
Ken, Kyle, and Amaya make their way inside. The goal is for Nathan to now take Jessica outside.
We're gonna go upstairs. Those cars are the craziest things I've ever seen in my entire life.
You talking it up too much. Come on now.
Bro.
How those pictures come out?
Gorgeous.
Fire, huh? You can't miss at this place with this.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we can actually go out there and check it out if you want. You guys are hitting the rooftop?
Yeah, we're hitting the rooftop.
Okay.
We'll be up here for a bit. We got a lot of angles.
All right, here we go, guys. This is it.
A lot of times, are you just renting or are you doing other things?
I'll rent it and then.
Guys,
I got
subscribe.
an assistant out here too. Help me out. We'll go check the Rolls Royce.
While Nathan takes Jessica to go check out his cars, Ken, Kyle, and Amaya make their way upstairs, but not to the rooftop.
Hi, Maya. Nice to meet you.
Just
Yeah, both of them orange and tan. Orange your favorite color?
it's my favorite color. It's my favorite color.
Color, man.
This was it. Nathan was on the cusp of making his move. All he had to do now was let Jessica take in the wealth and success in front of her. Shortly after, he would lay his offer on the table and see if she would cheat.
Sit in the expensive car.
How do you think she's going to do?
Well, I don't know how she's done so far, but I feel like she's gonna do pretty well.
Same color as Ermi's bag, so.
Yes. Do you have one to match?
I don't have one to match. My mama does though. I made sure she got one, so.
That's good. As long as she got one.
These are nice, and then it's definitely nice. I'm telling you, why don't you get into modeling? You look good as hell.
I need
You
to.
should definitely. You could come over and take pictures whenever you want. I'm telling you.
Literally, I can't.
You let me know.
What's your number? Let me get your number.
Okay, bet.
Jessica asking Nathan for his number is crazy.
What's your number? Let me get your number.
Okay, bet.
Okay, so they sound like they're vibing.
Because we're filming a loyalty test, I want to jump to conclusions and
don't
think
like
that she has
their
hidden
vibing.
intentions, but then
Eh?
again, this just sounds like networking.
And we can get dinner sometime too if you're ever free.
Definitely. For sure. Whenever. Just let me know.
Bro, she 100% feel. It's like everything the guy asks her is yes. Is a yes coming out of her mouth.
I love this. This is fire.
It's nice, huh? Yeah, just text me here. But I know definitely we could definitely get dinner. I mean, I mean, I know you got your situation, but
What do you usually do on the weekends?
if I'm in town, I'll link up with some of my boys. So yeah, so it just depends on like what we got planned. But like this weekend, I'm pretty much chilling. Like, get it for the stories. You feel me?
See, I'm just like so nervous when it comes to the camera.
Why? You look good as hell. You look.
I feel like I'm just like.
When y'all came, I thought you was a model. To be real with you, I thought, yeah. You looking too damn good. But yeah, let me know. We can definitely link up. But if you want to get dinner sometime, are you free this weekend?
Yeah.
What you doing tomorrow night?
What's tomorrow? Friday?
Today's Friday. Damn, I know the days is.
Saturday. I don't have anything planned for Saturday. After this, it's basically just like we're chilling for around.
Bet. Would you want to go do dinner or something tomorrow?
Yeah.
You come by?
Yes.
Cool. Say less. Yeah, I'd love to have you come by again because you look good, girl. I'm telling you. You can come by whenever you want. You can stay whenever you want. You know what I mean? I'm not even.
I appreciate that.
Of course, of course. I mean, this house gets lonely too because I'm single right now, so it gets kind of lonely over here. That's what I'm saying. Like, I try to have people keep me company, but I haven't really.
Yeah, we should definitely chill.
Well,
I don't really
everything,
be chilling with
bro,
people.
everything he put on the table, bro, she just want to take it, bro. She just keeps saying yes.
Yeah, no, okay, so we could definitely do dinner. Actually, I'm supposed to be going out of town too in a couple weeks. You want to actually take that vacation with me?
Yeah, where are you going?
I'm trying to go to Miami, so I'm supposed to meet up with a couple friends. But if you want to go, you can go with me.
I'll definitely be down.
I mean, I don't know if she's cool
She's
with you
down
leaving
for
with me, but
everything.
I mean, I'm down to have you go.
She'll be cool with it.
Short trip? Say less.
I don't know about that.
Nah, yeah, my girl, we're super like connected. Like, it's crazy. I never dated a female. She's the only female I ever looked at or even
Oh, for real?
dated. Yeah.
Well,
like,
you chose
I
a
never
good one for
dated a
sure.
female, yeah. She kind of chose me.
Aww.
Oh, okay, that's how
It
she
was
went out
just
her way.
like a soul connection for real. Like, we was chilling, we were talking. I felt like we were super comfortable with each other.
So you're not into girls, or you're just into
I'm not
her?
into girls. I'm into her.
So I have.
Like guys.
Bruh.
So I stay like sometimes out here. My best friend and me like hella cool, and he my best friend gay and stuff, but like same. He's like my twin flame. Like we're like the same person. But I'm like I don't go that way. You feel me? So from
Be around them.
yeah, no, of course I'm cool with everybody. Like for me, it's cool, but you know, I just damn. So you trying to be with her forever then, or what? Are you trying to go back to the men one day?
No, me and her, we're gonna be together forever.
Oh damn, you
That's
could.
my soulmate,
So you just
bro.
done with men then, or what? Are you still trying to have your fun?
No, I mean,
Just in case you
I
want
don't
to.
even know. I don't even
Close
know.
that on you real quick.
It's, I don't know. I really don't know. I feel like guys don't really like.
Emotionally
Yeah,
do.
it's just like there's no like. Sometimes there's no connection there. Like
Bro, you're capping, bro. You're capping, bro.
a real soul connection.
Like,
I
that
feel like
can
that's
be
'cause
true,
you-
like that's what she's saying, but she's capping, bro.
With the wrong dudes, probably.
That's probably true. It really, I feel like guys and girls, it's hard to say females this and guys.
No, facts. They both do similar.
the
Yeah.
Same. Girls are players, guys are players, girls are liars.
I think
guys are liars.
now in modern day
Bro,
society.
that's a cap, bro. She make it look like every one of them in the world, bro. Like I literally see people coming from basic school, bro, to hold people, bro. You understand? On the internet. You understand? Yes, couples marry. You understand? Take it to another level from 1 to 100. You get what I say? You're capping. You have good and bad in the world, not just only bad. If it was only bad, guys, it would not be the world right now. So you have good and bad. You understand? She's saying like everyone in the world is bad. Bro, my subscriber is not bad. You understand? Yes, we will defend ourselves. You understand? But stop the cap. Okay? Yes.
Women definitely caught up a little bit. If not, they're more
just-
conniving with it.
They're just like, yeah, we're about to move like them. Like they think they're slicker than us. No, we're gonna be slicker.
Damn,
Like,
that's crazy. Me over here just trying to be a good person and like,
yeah. You'll find your good person though. Don't switch up.
ah,
with you.
I think right now too, I'm just kind of down for fun. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Cause I mean, I got all this. Like people are gonna want me for the wrong.
Down?
They're gonna want me for the wrong reasons.
You need to find someone that knows nothing about what you come with, for real.
That's
But
true.
No, we could definitely have fun. Like, we could definitely.
That makes
have
sense.
fun.
Define fun.
Should we cool with it? Or you not gonna? I mean.
I tell her everything.
Okay, so as long as she cool.
Yeah. So as long as she's cool.
Okay, as long as she is.
Like even like, it could be us three all the time too. We're super chill, super just like down for whatever.
See,
I don't
nothing
know about
more
you.
than this female want to bring a man into the relationship to let 3 of them, bro. You understand? Hey, if that happened, bro, that guy is so lucky, bro. Trust me.
But I am getting some really mixed signals here. It sounds like Jessica's about to fail, but then she ends up saving herself and passing. But then she ends up going right back into failing. I don't know. What do you guys think of all this?
She
We
failed,
can make
bro.
some content too. I'm telling you.
Let's make some content.
Yeah,
I'm
I'm
about
not
to.
down. My kind of freaky in there though. You know what I'm saying? Like that's what the money's at. If you down, I'm saying we could.
Like what? Like what do I gotta do?
I mean, we don't do full on, but we can. Like I haven't gone to full on type, but just like making out like that.
Yeah,
A little
like
bit of
regular.
just.
Yeah, like teasing type of.
Then like you get people that want to buy more, then I'll exclusively ship out that type of
see,
content.
that's cool.
And that's where money's at. That's where money's
That's
really
cool.
at. My boy has a high rise. He's paying $4K a month on that thing, and he's
Yeah, I'm paying
covered.
$4K a month for our place right now, and I'm just like, and my car is $2,500 a month because I'm renting my car.
Well, let me get you set up then. Honestly, this weekend, if you want, we could get dinner, and then I could show you kind of the way to make a video or something.
Yeah, let's do it.
And I'll put you on there.
I'm with it.
You with it?
I'm with it.
All right. You sure she's not gonna get mad?
No, she's not gonna get mad. She's gonna know exactly what's going on.
Bet. All right. If that's the case, then for sure we can set that up.
She
then.
already
You got
know
my
what
number
is
down there
going on.
too, so we can
What's your
definitely.
name?
She's
Nate?
listening to you.
Nathan, whatever you want to call me.
Okay, yo. She didn't even know his name, and she's agreeing to all these things.
See?
Daniel.
Not the Nathaniel. That's when I'm in trouble right there. Not the Nathaniel.
We're taking off. From here on out, we're locked in.
Oh yeah, for real like that.
We're locked in.
All right, bet. Don't make me go fall in love with you.
Guys, before we go any further, guys, I want everyone to subscribe. Okay? Yes. And do follow me on Instagram. Yes. Follow this guy right here. Silk Codex. That is me. Big respect to all of my followers. You understand? Let's take it to another level. Will her cheat? She's gonna cheat.
Fine, I'm telling you right now.
Already a red flag.
I'm gonna be like, God damn.
You got me sweating in here.
We can go back inside if you want. Nah, but no, you look good. That's what I'm saying. I'm like, damn, I thought you was the model. I was like, you can just come back on this side. It's all good. You know I can take care of you. I'm not even tripping.
Yeah?
Uh-huh. See, you don't even need to do all that. You looking good how you are.
You think so?
Oh, I know. So what you mean? You're cheesing too much.
Oh my God.
You got a nice ass smile too, though.
you.
You're welcome.
I want to fix my teeth too, though.
Your teeth look good. Your lips look even better too. Come give me a kiss.
Right.
Oh my God, don't do me.
Nah, I think
Oh my
you
gosh,
could.
you're dangerous.
Dangerous? How am I dangerous?
You're dangerous.
Am I though? I feel like I'm just a good time.
Yeah, I feel like you're gonna be a good time. You're dangerous though.
Oh, we're gonna have a great time for sure. Let me get one real quick before we go inside.
No way.
You wanna feel these lips?
Give me
That's
what?
that's
Give me
what
what?
it does.
Alright, just.
No.
I bet.
What it does.
Alright,
You are
alright.
Crazy.
I bet we can go back inside. I guess they'll be like, where they at? Where they at?
They kiss, bro.
This was honestly the last thing that I was expecting. My man Nathan really kissed her. They really kissed. Talk about decoy skills on a whole other level. Now I'm wondering
That
what
is right. Them to kiss for two. Male and female. You understand? Burn up.
happened if we would have gone with the first decoy I wanted.
She thought she was safe because she was in the car. The conversation was fine, but the kiss?
Yeah,
I think
no, you're going to turn back to man. That will chip your brain away. You understand? Because we don't too chip like Chinese phone. You get me? I say that will chip your head away now to go back to man and leave female alone. You understand, cute girl?
Caught off guard. I mean, heck, we all were. I knew this was always a possibility, but I didn't think that it would actually happen, at least not like this.
Well, I can't believe that. I felt like she was gonna pass, but that is like a major fail.
Of course. Oh, she will pass. You cannot pass a man. Eh? Oh, a lady, eh? If a lady to lady now, if that was a female, she would fail. You understand? But it's a man. So you know, say the connection there, what God put on earth. Yes, cute girl. Back to your brain. Find a man.
That he did such a
Guys,
good
subscribe.
job of, like painting her like a good picture, and she gave in for it.
Gave in.
Damn.
Definitely not happy about that.
What do you think?
I'm so disappointed. Like,
If this were my relationship and Jessica were my girlfriend, it would be over. I get it, we fabricated the perfect scenario, but she was still given the will to choose. Nobody forced her to do anything. I would want my girlfriend to have the willpower to resist, and I'm sure vice versa. Now yeah, there's a bunch of excuses that you can make for her, but here's how I see it. I live in Vegas. There's plenty of clubs, casinos, or vices that I could get into that could cause me to lose everything. But just because something's on sale, doesn't mean I gotta buy it.
wow,
Right.
she thought she was so sneaky.
Do you want to keep listening in?
Yes,
Or
yes,
you wanna keep
yes.
listening in?
We can, or
You that cold? It's cold, huh? I feel like my bad.
No, it's okay.
Ah,
I went from sweating to
why was you sweating? What do you mean?
cause you
Me?
nervous.
Why did I get you nervous? How I get you nervous? What you mean?
Got me hot.
With what? From that kiss? Well, maybe another one will warm you up. One more real quick.
Oh,
You said she's not even mad. Mm-mm. Come on, give me one. I only get one, that was it?
Bro, the guy feel like he's not doing anything, but like, bro, they're watching you, bro. He look around like, why these guys ain't here yet? Like, bro, they soon come downstairs. You understand? But he just want to kiss her one more time to just do his job. He's literally doing his job as a decor. You understand? Yes. One more kiss, cute girl.
Damn, alright, I see how it is.
she looks like she knows she did something wrong.
I'll just wait till all three of us can have fun, like you said. Just give the okay first or what? Does she? What if she doesn't though? Oh, you'll make her give the okay?
no. You want me to say that?
I don't know. I'm just. What if she doesn't give the okay? You're not just gonna, come around or what? I feel
No,
like.
we still gonna kick it.
Okay, so are you sure?
Definitely still gonna kick it.
He said, so if she says no, are you still gonna come around? And she goes, yeah, we're still gonna kick it. But maybe, I don't know, maybe she's just saying
She's
that
keep
to him.
repeating
I'm
herself just to soak that in. Just
still trying to give her the benefit of the doubt.
Yeah, we could do one of two things, right? Or three things, actually. You could say, like, oh, whatever, is it all into here? And you could walk downstairs as if all this was real. That's
Yeah.
number one. Number two, you can walk downstairs and have a conversation with her. And then number three, we could keep it going. We could have Nathan text her, see if she's down to hang out, see if she's down to...
I feel like that's the best course.
Now they should be coming down pretty soon though.
Yeah.
I
You
feel
see?
like we should keep it going because I kind of want to see, like, now I'm curious, yeah. And I don't know why she would tell him I'm okay with that because we've never had any type of open relationship like that. As far as I know, it's just me and her, so.
So her kissing him.
Yeah,
you have a
that's
problem
not
with that?
okay.
Like, that's not cool. Like, you wouldn't be cool with it even if, like...
No.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, are you good?
I'm nervous.
What are you nervous about?
I'm anxious.
she's nervous,
Anxious
bro,
about
because
what?
she want to take you in
What
the
do you mean?
room, bro. She want to take you in the room. That's the reason why she is nervous.
Anxious.
I'm just anxious.
What are you anxious about?
I don't know. I just feel
I'm cute.
anxiety.
I give you anxiety?
No, it's not that bad. It's not like a negative. It's just like I just get a little like
What you?
I need a shot.
If we drink, it's bad. That's a bad look.
I need a shot.
Do you? Why are you so nervous? About what?
The kiss was definitely not okay. Like, I feel like if she tells me, then, which I'm sure she will, or I hope she will, but I can forgive her, but that's not okay. Especially a man, because it's like, I'm the only girl she's ever been with, so it's like, damn, like, what would possess you to do that?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I'm good.
I'm sorry. I'm really, really sorry.
This is gonna be hard.
I'm not sorry.
So I have to go back home and act like everything's normal.
Okay, well, we'll aim for tomorrow then. That way you don't have to be pretending
Okay,
too long.
okay.
Yeah. And hopefully she doesn't show up. Hopefully she says no. Hopefully she tells you about it.
Right.
Something. I mean, again, though, there's the kiss. But it's however you interpret it. You know, it's your relationship, so it's however you interpret it. Ready to head downstairs then?
Yeah.
Pretend like all this is real.
Yeah.
No. I'm sorry. I wish we had a better outcome, you know?
Me too. I was definitely not expecting that at all.
And so with that, we send the trio downstairs, and their job is to pretend like this entire thing were real.
Alrighty, guys. So that's that. I think we played it off pretty perfectly here. Hopefully she's not suspecting a thing. Hopefully Amaya can play this off as if it were all real. And then we're gonna have Nathan hit her up and see if she ends up going for
Hey,
it.
Nathan know, like, that Nathan guy, he already know, like, what's up. You see, he keep looking around like, guys, what is going on, bro?
It was very nice meeting you too.
Nice meeting you as well. Bye.
And bye, have a good one.
What was very interesting to me was the change in demeanor in Jessica's attitude when she walked back into the house. I think either one of two things happened. Number one, she caught on that she was being tested. Or number two, she genuinely felt regretful about what she did and she knew she f***ed up. I knew Jessica could fail, but I didn't expect her to fail like this. This was honestly pretty bad and would have been enough for me, but Amaya wanted to keep this thing going. So we were gonna see if Jessica would agree to meet up with Nathan one last time. So our plan was for Nathan to invite Jessica to dinner tomorrow evening. However, a couple hours after getting
guys,
home...
it is not done yet. It is not finished as yet, guys. Subscribe, okay? This thing
got
is
an interesting call from Amaya.
Okay, so what were you saying?
So she did tell me shortly after we left about the kiss.
Okay.
But she said that, you know, he kind of kissed her and she just turned her head. But I'm like, I saw you, like, you know.
Yeah. And how do you take it? How do you see it?
Because she told me, like, it's salvageable, I could forgive her, but I definitely wasn't expecting that. Like, it was very disappointing and, like, wow.
So apparently Jessica had come clean to Amaya. She didn't tell her everything, but she at least told her about the kiss.
Did she tell you anything else, that he was like hitting on her, or that he would like wanted to get to know her or whatever, anything like that?
No, it was just like the basic summary of what happened in the kiss.
Okay. Did she like apologize or anything with the kiss, or like how did she sound like when she told you about the kiss? Like,
I feel at first it was kind of downplayed, and I'm just like, no, that's not cool. Why would you do that? And then she started to think about it, and she was apologetic. But yeah, it's just I'm just taking in what happened. Because it did take me off guard.
yeah. When she told you, like, did you kind of play it off? Like, wait, what? You kissed him, or?
Yes. She was like searching for more from me, and I'm just like, yeah, no, we just took pictures, and
Mama know everything
I just was trying
already.
to play it off.
She
Like,
know
she's getting
everything
the cold
already.
shoulder now, because it's just like I can forgive her, but I'm still hurt from it. Like, because I wouldn't do that to her, so.
Right.
In the end, Amaya decided to work things out with Jessica and end this test.
Okay. Alrighty, Amaya. You have a good night. Try to rest easy. I will text you for any updates.
Okay, you too. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Damn.
And so with that, our test came to an abrupt end. While unexpected, I completely respect Amaya's decision. At the end of the day, this was her relationship, not ours. She could do whatever she wanted to. With that being said, though, what would you guys have done if this was your relationship? How would you guys have taken things? While not entirely a happy ending.
Okay, hear what I'm saying, guys. By another guy, you understand? By me, not another guy. By me doing this test. You understand? I have my female kiss a man. Burn up. You understand? I leave. You understand? That I will do. Or she kiss a girl. That wrong still. You understand? Leave same way. You leave nothing depend. I must say I'm your mother. Get to me I say? Yes, your mom. You understand? Or your child. When your child is young. Yes. But guys, we reached the end of the video. You understand? The guy said, you understand, it is them relationship. It's for them relationship. You understand? For them relationship. So you just have to just let it go. What she wanna do, let she do what she wanna do. You understand? Guys, subscribe. You understand? And big up all of my subscribers. Also subscribe to this channel, this music YouTube channel. Goes by the name One Code Music. You understand? You also can follow One Code Music on Instagram, Audiomack, Spotify, and Facebook. Okay? Yes. Big up on yourself. Big up everyone. See what I'm going to say.
I do wish these two nothing but the best, and I hope they manage to work things out.
Hope it work out. You understand? Big up everyone that tune in and we tune out. You understand, guys? Big up on yourself. I'm out.